Thinking of moving to Philadelphia from overseas? Today we'll break down the costs and key factors to help you plan a seamless international move to Philadelphia. First, let's talk about the cost. Moving internationally to Philadelphia can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the size of your move, the distance, and the type of services you require. Here's a general idea of what you can expect. Moving from Delhi to Philadelphia can cost anywhere from $3,615 to $6,178 for a 2- to 3-4-bedroom home. From Beijing, the cost ranges from $5,424 to $9,270. For a move from London, the cost is around $2,795 to $4,777. And if you're moving from Toronto, it's much more affordable, ranging from $373 to $637. These prices can vary depending on the season, the size of your shipment, and additional services. For a tailored quote, contact us directly for a consultation. For example, moving a 2-bedroom home from Delhi to Philadelphia could cost between $4,805 and $5,262, while a larger 4-bedroom move could cost as much as $6,178. Ensure you receive a personalized estimate to plan your budget effectively. Ready to make your move? Call 3 Movers today at 1-888-202-0036 for a free moving quote, or visit our website to learn more about our international moving services. We're here to help with every step of your relocation journey.